Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on Python tricks. In this video we're going to talk about how to swap two variables in Python. Imagine we have two variables like a and b and we put them as 100 and 200. Okay, so if we print them we can see that in a there is 100 and in b there is 200. What if we want to swap these two variables in the way that a contains 200 and b contains 100? Okay, let's do it. So we can simply say a and b equals to b and a. To print it out again, we can see that these two variables are now swapped. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.